Welcome back to my channel. Today, as I promised to you guys, I am going to continue to unboxing this huge box what I already opened last time. And truly, what was inside is really just the largest model what I ever received. And inside this box was literally the heaviest and the largest model what I ever hold in my hand, and this is the 1/12 scale model from GT Spirit. And inside in this really heavy box is this Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 2020, which is a beast. I'm really excited about to open this 1/12 because this is really the biggest scale what I ever got. Of course, everything is the same like on the GT Spirit boxes, the same design. As you can see, the scale is there, the logo is there, the logo also on the top is there. And here you can see, like always on the GT Spirit boxes, the models what is inside. Let me just get this beast out of the box, and it's a little bit of course more difficult like the smaller scale. I think you just have to have a right technique. So I think pull it and pull it and pull it from both sides. So there we go. Here is the card. Quality control, of course, like always, it's in the box. And here's the car. Nice. Whoa. It's really huge. Okay, it's large. Well, I think I just need a little bit more power and strength to take this model out. Let me see maybe how it goes there. Oh, it's not a big deal. The sizes of the screws are the same like in the 1/18 models, and the amount of the screws are the same. So one in the front, two in the back, and it goes really easily out. So if I turn out the box, hopefully I can just lift up the car. That is it. Okay, oops. Bam. Bam. There we go. Okay, then I can see here, have a little bit space for the fingers. Otherwise it's not so easy to take this out because of the weight. I mean, literally, it's quite heavy. Oops, I can manage it. Yes, okay, nice. Would be easier if you have, you know, this somehow this string around the model that you can pull it out. Yeah, it's heavy again. Well, yes, and as always, I'm just going to really weight the car because it's just really heavy. And if I'm just putting this, yes, on it, yes, it's more than 3 kilos. So, exactly, this is what you can feel. But altogether, I just really like this model. I think the scale is just totally fitting to this enormous racing beast. This is basically the strongest, the most powerful Ford I've ever built. And yeah, it's a little bit of a pity when you have a model that you cannot hear the engine sound. The car has just an amazing engine sound. As far as I know, it's not really street legal in Europe, but then you can have a model here in Europe, so that's for sure. I really like that they also use these really authentic, original race stripes, these Le Mans stripes on this Shelby, which are black. And somehow I like this configuration, also with the black wheels. It's really cool. I saw on the internet the car in red, for example, but I would say this gray is just fitting very nicely to the model. In this case, of the Shelby, I'm a little bit heartbroken that we can't open the hood in this case of this recent model, because under the hood is just a very beautiful V8 engine, also with a cool design with the Cobra on it. On the model they also took care to implement these two buttons that on the real car you can just push and then you can open the hood up. It's a nice detail. Unfortunately we can't open the doors, so I can't show you the interior very precisely because it's just not really possible to see. Let's go just step by step through this model. Let's start in the front. I really like how they also detailed the headlights with these LED lights what this Shelby has, and they took a very nice care also detailing the grille, and they put also this very shiny Cobra logo in the front. The spoiler in the front, it's matte black. It's a very nice detail how they printed over the Shelby typography. On the original car, these black parts are all carbon fiber. GT Spirit made amazing job detailing the wheels and also the brake calipers and the shiny brake discs. You can also see how they took care, printed over on the brake calipers this Bremo typography, and also the tires are rubber, and let me see if I can roll them. Yes, they actually rolling. So, well, for sure you don't want to really play with this car or roll in it, but it's possible. And if I turn the car, also the back, they really nicely detail these C-shape rear lights, which is in this car is really significant. And you can also see this printed Cobra and the number plate. The spoiler, yes, here have to be a little bit careful because I think it's a little bit fragile. I like all these matte black details all around the car. Also here on the body side. When we look inside into the interior, you can see that it's also really precisely detailed. On the original car, I think the interior is just really cool. They display Cobra as well all over the place, and the main console is just also, you see all the switches. They use this very nice black and gray tones. In the rear of the car, you can see the exhaust, which are shiny glossy, that I like that they really use somehow. It feels really like aluminium also on the model, that the exhausts are somehow real aluminium pieces. And well, as always, I just turn it. As usual, you see the GT Spirit 2024 Shelby GT500 and all what is necessary to have under the car. My comment is the same. The quality of the windshield and the rear window is the same. Very thin plastic. I always have a fear that I'm just going to damage it. Don't touch it. This piece is also a limited edition till 600 pieces as I know, and I also of course checked the prices online. It's about 200 euros, which actually, yes, it's expensive, but then you can say you're going to have this scale which is 1 to 12, and also considering the quality of the car, this is very nice. I think GT Spirit made again a very nice job. I'm very happy to have this car here, even if it's heavy. So I'm just gonna put this down now. Good. I hope you liked this video, and I would like to say thank you to Cassette Magazines and Future Diecast Bros to provide me this amazing car. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel and follow me also on Instagram on GirlsLoveCars. Thank you very much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye!